Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to the people who have been watching me, and welcome to whoever's new. So today I'm going to be going over this blonde wig, this very short. I think this is an 8-inch or a 10-inch, I'm not sure. Description will be in the box below. And today, basically, I'll be going over how I install my wigs. Now, usually what I do is I'll just do the Gas-to-Be glue method with the freeze blast spray and the black, this one, Gas-to-Be glue. I don't like for my wigs to stay on too long just because I have natural hair under here that I take care of. So today I'm actually melting the wig into my scalp, as you can see, and it's very laid and it's very slayed, you feel me? So I'm gonna show you how I put it on. I'm gonna show you my method. Before I run the clip, I just want you to know one important fact is that you have to be patient. Like this GOOFBALL glue, I use this. This is not, I gotta put the cap on this. This is nothing to fool around with. When I tell you it sticks, like this thing is going nowhere, you feel me? So in the tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how I put the wig on, and where I got the wig from will be below, which I'm kind of excited about. But yeah, so far, I mean, I have one other blonde wig with black roots. This one is all blonde, and so far, like, it's like, it moves. You feel me? It moves. I like this. I like this a lot. So stay tuned. Thank you for clicking the link. Here we go. So here I'm just going to use the Gas-to-Be glue and my edge brush just to sweep my edges back. Usually the ends of my edges, like my sideburns, stick from under my wig just because I can't pull my wig down that far, so I just try to slick them back as far as possible. Here I'm using the freeze blast spray just to secure the skull cap down. And instead of waiting for it to dry, I use the blow dryer to dry it, of course. Now that that's dry, I take some small scissors, not the big ones because you can't hurt yourself. I take some small scissors just to cut around the edges of my hairline, leaving the skull cap behind just so it protects my hair. And I cut little holes by the ear just to put it around the ear hole and to further secure the skull cap. So this is kind of a tedious process because you have to like slowly peel up the cap, make sure you don't cut yourself, and you have to like take off piece by piece. So it's kind of time consuming. Just make sure you're careful, use small scissors, and be patient. As you cut your cap, it's gonna peel up a little bit. So what I like to do is take a little bit of Gas-to-Be glue and to further secure my cap down, just so it won't fly up or peel up. I like to put like a little bit of glue on the tip of a comb and just to further secure it around the edges before I apply my wig. Hey there. So I had to go grab some alcohol and a towel because as you can see, like there's a little bit of glue on my edges. So I like to wipe that off just so it's not like tacky and it's a little bit more neater. So now I have my makeup and I'm just trying to blend my cap into my forehead. But what I realized was I should have had a lighter cap. But either way, it works out. So now I like to take a white eyeliner pencil just to draw around the edge of my hairline so I'll know where to put the glue, just so it won't be a tacky mess if I put it in front of my hairline, because it's kind of a pain to clean up. So as I did that, now I just continue to draw, and I cut off the small pieces of my cap that are sticking in front of the pencil marks. And now I just apply the Ghost Bond. Now, when you're going in, laying your wig down, it's very, very important for you not to mash the wig into your scalp, and just kind of poke it with the comb just so it can lay better, and then the hairs won't stick to your glue. You just want the lace to stick to it, so it's better to just poke it with a comb instead of just patting it with your finger or a comb. And just take your time. And here, I like to take some Q-tips just to get the white eyeliner off of my hairline. So I go in with some alcohol and a Q-tip usually, and I'll like wipe it off. So now that I've cleaned that off, I like to pull out my edges just to see what my baby hairs are gonna look like. And I like to comb my edges back as well. So here's the best part that I enjoy: the baby hairs. Yes. So I'll put mousse on my edges, and then I'll just start to create my baby hairs. And I like to move quick just because, I feel like it loosens the Ghost Bond a little bit. So I like to move like very quickly, very swiftly, just to get my baby hairs down and to put my edge scarf on top. So now that the baby hairs are laid down and the scarf is on, yes, this is the final look. I think it came out really good and it's laid. And thank you for watching. And the next video will be my boxy charm. So click the link and subscribe. See you soon.